In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use stickers on your Instagram stories to increase reach and engagement. Once you choose your video or photo you want to publish on your story, you will tap the sticker icon on the top right corner of the screen. You will see so many options and different stickers, but now I'm gonna show you how to use each one of them. The location sticker is used to tag a location to your story. These stickers can also be used if you want to direct traffic to a specific location. Also, people who search for this particular location on Instagram may have the opportunity to view and engage with your story. Then, mention and hashtag. With them, you can tag different accounts, personal or business, or you can add a hashtag to your story. Users searching for this particular hashtag can also get the opportunity to see your story on Instagram. GIF stickers attract a lot of attention and are perfect for using expressions and emotions. It's great to use if you want to highlight your call to action. Poll stickers ask the user a question and give them two answers to choose from. All you have to do is write a question and two different answers. While the emoji slider is more playful to users, you can choose an emoji referencing to the answer. By adding a poll sticker or emoji slider, you can more easily let users engage with your stories. Finally, we have the question stickers. This one is perfect for running Q&As, where followers can ask questions about things they are wondering. Now you know how to add stickers to your stories. It's a great tool for your business to use if you want to reach existing and potential customers while engaging content. Thanks for watching and subscribe to watch more Instagram and WhatsApp business tutorials.